Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. So now without any further delay, let's get into today's video. So guys, it's a great opportunity from ABB company for all freshers like from 2023 and 2024 batch for R&D Software Engineer position. And you'll get posted in a Bangalore location once you get hired for this position, and it's a full-time opportunity from ABB company, so it's not any contract-based job. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity. They have opened this position only for freshers. So here you can see in eligibility criteria all bachelor's degree students, so all BE or BTech students in computer science or any other relevant stream can apply for this position. So university graduates or graduating soon or recent graduates can apply for this, so which means 2023 and 2024 and maybe 2022 batch can also give a try for this position. So coming to your skill set, so you should have a strong passion for AI and a strong desire to work in all generative AI and prompt engineering models. So for this, you should be familiar with all the machine learning techniques and frameworks such as Python, TensorFlow and PyTorch. And you should have exposure to basics of AI, including natural language processing and reinforcement learning. So exposure to all generative AI concepts and frameworks such as GPT, VQ, VIE, GNs, either through coursework or your previous projects or internships is necessary. And you should have a good communication skills, both verbal and written. So that's about your skill set. So coming to your responsibilities. So you'll be involved in all research, designing and implementation of all generative AI models, all using machine learning techniques for content generation and natural language processing and using other AI-driven applications. And you'll be working on developing and optimizing all ML algorithms, machine learning algorithms, using a large-scale data sets in order to ensure high-quality output. So you should be working with all the advanced ML techniques in order to enhance the performance and efficiency of all generative AI models. So for this, you should be able to collaborate with all the data scientists and engineer to either pre-process or clean or prepare the data sets for generative AI models. So you'll be involved in rigorous testing and evaluation of AI models in order to ensure the reliability and stability. And also you have to stay up to date with all the latest advancements in generative AI and ML development techniques. So guys, that's about your responsibilities here. So you should be proficient in all machine learning techniques and artificial intelligence concepts. So as a fresher, you should be able to grab knowledge either through your previous internships or projects on all these concepts in order to clear this interview. So guys, if you are interested in this position, just apply it as soon as possible. So as I said, all 2023 and 2024 graduates can apply for this, and even 2022 batch can give a try for this position. So that's about this role from ABB company. So if you have any further queries regarding this position, just let me know in comment section so that I can assist you further. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, we have a great opportunity from one of the good MNC, which is Wal Clover for Associate Software Quality Assurance Analyst position. And this position they have opened for both freshers and experienced. And for freshers, you can expect up to a 4 lakh per annum, and for experienced, you can expect up to a 10 lakh per annum. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity, and you'll get posted in a Pune location once you get hired for this position. So it's a full-time opportunity from Wal Clover, so it's not any contract-based job. And this has been posted around 6 days ago. Just apply it as soon as possible. And your designation would be Associate Performance Test Engineer. So coming to your eligibility criteria, so either you can apply it as a fresher, or if you have any earlier experience up to 2 years in the relevant field, then also you're good to apply for this role. So coming to your skill set, so you should be proficient in a C hash and all OOPS programming skills, and good communication skills and basic experience or a knowledge on database, especially SQL Server. And it's good if you have a knowledge or experience on a performance testing and knowledge of testing techniques and types. So guys, it's more or less like some testing role where no like much coding is not involved in this position. So if you guys are interested in these kind of testing roles, so just apply it as soon as possible. And coming to your responsibilities, so you have to learn a performance testing basics, implementation tools, including testing and monitoring tools, testing types and techniques, So if you are get hired as a fresher for this position, so you should be able to learn all these testing techniques, and then you should be able to identify or validate all the test objectives and implement a defined test approach. And you have to work with the defined workflows and develop scripts using required techniques. And also you have to perform some test case executions, and you have to understand the issues for troubleshooting, and you have to perform a minimum analysis on all the test results before raising some defect to the respective development team. And you should be able to create test cases as well, which they meant here test data. So you should be able to create those created test cases in multiple environments, like in regression, pre-production or production, as per the company's plan. So if you have encountered any issues in these test case executions, so you should be able to log and track the defects. So you should be able to raise the defects to the respective development team by explaining like what is the issue. So guys, that's a very quick information about this role from Wal Clover company. So it's one of the good MNC which is located in Pune. So if you are interested in these kind of testing roles, so apply it as soon as possible. So both freshers and experienced can apply for this position. So if you have any queries regarding this position, just let me know in comment section so that I can assist you further. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's again a good opportunity from Scheinder Electric for both freshers and experienced for software engineer position, which is based on Python technology and other object-oriented languages. So guys, if you are interested in these developer roles, so just apply it as soon as possible before it gets expired. And for fresher, you can expect up to 4 lakh per annum, and for experience, you can expect up to 10 to 15 lakh per annum. So coming to your eligibility criteria, all engineering graduates, preferably from computer science background or with strong computer science fundamentals, can apply for this role. So even other stream also can apply for this role, but you should have a good computer science fundamentals. So you should have either knowledge or experience on these technologies like Python, MATLAB, R, object-oriented languages like Java, C++, C#, and JavaScript, and cloud platforms like Microsoft Azure and AWS, and tools like Kubernetes, Databricks, Docker, Spark, OpenDataSoft, and Git. So you should be expert in all object-oriented languages, and you should have a good experience with the computer science fundamentals in data structures, algorithms, and complexity analysis, and a good communication skills, both verbal and written. So that's about your skill set. So coming to your responsibilities, so as it is a developer role, you have to design the applications and then write the code, test it and debug it and deploy it across the various platforms and technologies, and also you have to maintain the code across the various platforms. So you have to work in across functional teams like DevOps, data, UX, and testing. So you should work towards automation as well, and you'll be involved in testing and deploying the same technology in different environments like regression testing, pre-production, and production. So you should be able to provide a quick resolutions to the production issues as well, and you should be able to learn a new programming languages or platforms or frameworks from time to time. So you should be updated with the market in order to support the business needs. So guys, that's about this role from Scheinder Electric. So if you are interested in these kind of developer roles, of both freshers and experienced, you can just apply it as soon as possible. And if you have any further queries regarding this position, just let me know in comment section so that I can assist you further. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a very good opportunity from Zoho for graduate engineer trainee position, for which you can expect up to 4.5 lakh per annum, and this position they have opened only for freshers. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity, as this position is open only for freshers, and you'll get posted in Mumbai location once you get hired for this position. So coming to your eligibility criteria, here you can see all BE or BTech graduates from any stream can apply for this role. And it's good if you have a previous certification in Cisco CCNA, so that your profile will be shortlisted quickly. And so all freshers can apply for this position. So coming to your skill set, you should have a good knowledge on all computer networking fundamentals, and you should be familiar with all the best software engineering practices and development models which comes into your academics. So you should be proficient with all your academics topics on these concepts, and you should have a good communication skills, both verbal and written. So nothing more than that in the skill set. So coming to your responsibilities, So you should be able to carry out all the requirement understanding from your business planning and other teams, and you should be able to plan a network design and architecture for all businesses, and conducting operational planning for respective function, executing network capacity planning in order to meet the customer demands and maintain a congestion free network. And you should be able to assist in a vendor evaluation and validation process, and detail out engineering for LTE and FTTG and enterprise network. And you should be able to generate engineering document per node and monthly operation plan for a planned event execution. And also you should be able to enhance your technical knowledge from time to time by attending various technical seminars or webinars that are conducted in your company or some other outside companies. So guys, that's a very quick information about this position from Geo for graduate engineer trainee role. So guys, if you are interested in this role, just don't miss this opportunity, as this position is open only for freshers. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, from Capgemini, we have a good opportunity for minimum experience to candidates, like 1 to 2 years experience to candidates. So here you can see it's a permanent opportunity from Capgemini, and your location will be Bangalore. So you'll be placed in a telecom department. So coming to your skill set, so you should have a good knowledge or experience in OTN, ROIDM and Python automation, and all BE or BTech or MSc, ME or MTech, MSc graduates can apply for this role. So guys, if you have a minimum experience of 1 to 2 years, then you are good to apply for this role from Capgemini, and you can expect up to a 10 lakh per annum based on your experience. So based on your experience, the package may vary. So it has been posted on September 22nd, so just apply it as soon as possible before it gets filled. And just see if your skill set is matching with these skills like OTN, ROIDM and Python automation. So just apply it as soon as possible if you are eligible for this position. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a technical support engineer role from Zoho for both freshers and experienced. So coming to your responsibilities, you should be able to provide a voice-based support to all international and domestic customers over the phone, or either through chat or email also. So you should be able to build a good rapport with your customers for clear and confident communication, and you should be able to satisfy all your customer needs by answering their queries from time to time. And sometimes you'll also have to engage with your technical team in order to give a faster resolutions to our technical issues. So you have to work closely with the technical content team to identify the gaps in the help module, and also you are required to work in night shifts based on your business requirement. And also you'll be paid some shift allowances of around 5 to 10k per month in addition to your monthly salary. So you can expect up to 3.5 lakh per annum for this position from Zoho. So you'll get placed either in any of these locations like Chennai, Salem, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli or Madurai. So guys, that's about your responsibilities for this position from Zoho. So if you have any further queries, you can just let me know in comment section. And now let's see one more position from Zoho. So guys, it's a UI or UX graphic designer role from Zoho for both freshers and experienced. So coming to your responsibilities, so you will be involved in across a multiple mediums on various projects, from small pieces to a multi-channel campaigns on design work. So you have to build digital assets for marketing campaigns that should give a good look and feel of those campaigns across the touch points. So you should be assisting in the planning and creation of designs for marketing automation campaigns, which includes email, social media and PPC. And you have to design templates for landing pages and emails using a custom CSS and styling to help support brand messages. And you'll be working on designing on-site creatives, also includes A&B testing and better UX design for user engagement. And you'll be involved in creating a static banners for Google Display Network and other third-party networks, and assisting in designing websites with a wireframing and UX capabilities. So you'll get posted in any of these locations like Chennai, Salem, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli or Madurai, and you can expect up to a 4 lakh per annum for this position from Zoho. So guys, if you are interested in this kind of UX designer role, so just apply it as soon as possible. And now let's see one more position from Zoho. So it's a sales executive position from Zoho for both freshers and experienced. So where you have to build a good rapport with all the customers and understand their needs, and you have to identify the opportunities that made a minimum qualification criteria for the sales team, and you will also have to deal with the incoming sales calls and emails and assign them to a sales representatives. So for this, you should have a good communication skills, both verbal and written, and good interpersonal and product presentation skills in order to impress your customer. So you should have a good strong desire to learn and ability to work independently and deliver values to your customers and the company on time. So you should also be able to work in shifts, so for which you'll be paid a good shift allowances as well, like from 5 to 10k you can expect in addition to your monthly salary, and also you can expect around 2.5 to 3 lakh per annum for this position. So you will get posted in any of these locations like Chennai, Salem, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli or Madurai. So guys, if you are interested in these kind of non-technical roles, and if you're looking for these kind of sales positions from one of the top MNC, you can just apply it as soon as possible before it gets filled. And now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a great opportunity from HCL for graduate trainee position for all freshers from 2022 and 2023 batch. So guys, just don't miss this opportunity who are looking for this kind of position like non-coding positions from 2022 and 23 batch. So now let's see other job details as well. So guys, coming to your eligibility criteria, all 2022 and 23 graduates can apply for this role from BCA and BSc IT or CS streams. So coming to your skill set, you should have a good knowledge on MS Office suite like XP 2003 and 2007, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Outlook, MS Project and MS VC. So you should have a good knowledge on Windows operating systems and knowledge on remote desktop connectivity applications like SMS, WebGar, WebEx, Live Meeting and Window Night Tools. So you should have good knowledge on Active Directory and Exchange 2003 and 2007 as well, and good communication skills, both verbal and written. So coming to your responsibilities, you should be able to provide either hardware or software or network problem resolutions either via email or telephone or chat for your customers. So you should be able to route problems to your second and third level IT support staff if the issue doesn't come under your scope. And also, you should be able to use the incident management system in order to document and manage the issues that are raised by the customers for its respect to resolutions. So you should be able to respond to all telephone calls, emails and instant messages, and also you have to assign the tickets from users, and you have to assign the work orders and instance to your appropriate support teams, and you have to follow up for the resolution until its closure. Guys, that's about your responsibilities, and also sometimes you have to work on a basic network connectivity problems. So you have to routine like maintenance updates with other IT staff and business units, and you have to provide a knowledge transfer of UAC operations. So that's about your responsibilities here for this position from HCL. So if you are interested in this kind of non-technical roles, so just apply for it as soon as possible. So all BCA and BSc IT or CS streams from 2022 and 2023 batch can apply for this position. So just apply it as soon as possible. So guys, that's a very quick information about these various roles from these MNCs for today. So if you are interested and eligible in any of these roles, so just apply it as soon as possible. And you can also refer to other coding and non-coding related jobs in our channel, which is still open from long ago. So please do check those as well and apply if you are eligible right away. And guys, if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. Thank you.